Hi there! In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create automations inside your PulseGrowth account. Let's get started. First, log into your PulseGrowth dashboard and navigate to the Automation tab. Once you're there, click on Create New Workflow. This will open the Workflow Builder. A trigger is an event that starts the workflow. Think of it as the if this happens part of your automation. An action is what happens after the trigger is activated. That's the then do this part. So essentially, a workflow follows a simple logic. When something happens, perform a specific action. For example, when someone submits a form, send them an email. Or when someone books an appointment, send them a confirmation message. The trigger listens for the event, and once the conditions are met, the system performs the action automatically. Inside the trigger section, you'll see different types of triggers available. You can trigger workflows when a form is submitted, when an appointment is booked, when a call status changes, when someone comments on your Instagram or Facebook posts, and much more. PulseGrowth gives you flexibility depending on how you want your business processes to run. Let's start with a simple and very common automation, a form submission workflow. Click Add Trigger and select Form Submitted. Once you choose this trigger, you'll see filter options. Under Form Filters, select the specific form you want this automation to apply to. After selecting the required form, click Save. Now that we have the trigger set, we can start adding actions. Click on the plus icon to add your first action. One common action is tagging the contact. Select the Add Contact Tag action. Then choose or create the tag you want to apply. For example, you might tag them as website lead or free guide download. Click Save. Now, whenever someone submits that specific form, PulseGrowth will automatically add the selected tag to their contact profile. You can also add an action to create or update the contact record. This ensures that every new form submission is properly stored in your CRM. Beyond tagging, you might want to follow up immediately. So let's add another action. Click the plus icon again and choose Send Email. Here you can write your email subject line and the content of the email. This could be a thank you message, a welcome email, or delivery of a free resource. Fill out the required fields and click Save. Now, let's say you don't want to send all communications at once. Maybe you want to create a follow-up sequence. This is where the wait step becomes useful. Click to add another action and select Wait. You can define how long the system should wait before executing the next action. For example, you can wait 1 day before sending the next email or wait 2 hours before sending a reminder SMS. Set your desired wait time and click Save. This allows you to space out your communication so it feels natural and professional. Next, let's talk about appointment-based automations. These are extremely powerful because they help reduce no-shows and keep clients informed. To create this type of workflow, add a new trigger and select Appointment Status. Then set the appointment status to Confirmed. You'll also choose the specific calendar this applies to. If you have multiple calendars for different services or team members, you can narrow it down to the exact one. Click Save once your filters are set. After someone books and confirms an appointment, you can add actions such as sending a confirmation email, sending an SMS reminder, or even sending a WhatsApp message. Simply add the Send Email or Send SMS action and customize your message. For example, you can include the appointment date, time, and location details. You can also personalize the message using contact fields like their first name. To improve attendance rates, you can add multiple reminders. For instance, you might send a confirmation immediately, then add a wait step of 1 day and send another reminder, then wait until 1 hour before the appointment and send a final reminder SMS. Using wait steps between these actions ensures that all reminders are spaced properly and not sent all at once. You can also add internal notifications so your team is alerted when a new appointment is booked. Another useful automation is handling missed calls. To set this up, create a new workflow and add the call status trigger. Set the call direction to incoming and the call status to no answer. This means whenever someone calls your business and the call is missed, the workflow will activate. Once the trigger is saved, you can add actions such as sending an SMS saying, "Sorry we missed your call. How can we help?" You can also send an email or WhatsApp message depending on your communication channels. Additionally, you can add an internal notification action to alert yourself or your team that a call was missed so someone can manually follow up if needed. Inside the Workflow Builder, you'll also see additional tabs like Enrollment History and Execution Logs. Enrollment History shows you how many contacts have entered the workflow and who they are. This is helpful to track performance and engagement. Execution Logs allow you to see step by step what actions were executed for each contact. Once you've finished building your workflow, make sure to publish it. Now your automation is live and ready to work for you. If you don't want to build everything from scratch, PulseGrowth also offers pre-built workflow templates. To use one, click Create New Workflow and choose From Template. You'll see multiple ready-made workflows available, such as auto-replies, lead nurturing sequences, missed call text back, appointment reminders, and more. These templates already have triggers and actions configured. All you need to do is customize the settings, select your forms or calendars, adjust the message content, and publish. Templates are a great way to get started quickly, especially if you're new to automation. Automation inside PulseGrowth is designed to simplify your operations, improve response time, and ensure that no lead slips through the cracks. Whether it's responding instantly to form submissions, confirming appointments, reminding clients, or following up on missed calls, workflows allow your business to operate efficiently around the clock. And that's it. You've now learned how to create automation from scratch, how to use triggers and actions effectively, how to add wait steps, how to manage appointment workflows, how to handle missed calls, and how to leverage pre-built templates to save time. If you need further assistance, you can visit our support portal or reach out to us directly at connect-to-pulsegrowth.io. We're always here to help you make the most out of your PulseGrowth system.